Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a quick video. As you can see, I'm showing you this motion light that I saw in TikTok, so I had to get it, and now I'm gonna try it out to see if it really works. It's a motion light for the toilet, so at night when you go into the bathroom, it sensors you and the light goes on, and it has different colors. You could set it to one color or just let it rotate to all the different colors that it has. It's funny because I told the boys, because you know I only have boys, I told them this is a light that is gonna tell me when you pee out of the toilet, and Brendan actually believes it. The two older ones were like, I've never seen a toilet light, but I left it like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some battery on it and then try it out in the guest room and in my master bathroom and see if it works. Okay, so he already put the battery in. It takes 3 AAA battery, and as you can see, that light turns on when I block the front of it, so it thinks that like it's in the dark. And I'm going to my bathroom now. Yeah, you see the doggy potty on the floor. They're home trained. And I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, then shut the lights off and let the light turn off on its own. And then I'm gonna walk in again in the dark and see if it censors me. Okay, so here I'm going back to my bathroom. All the lights are turned off. I'm gonna go ahead and face the mirror so you can see that the light is completely off in the bathroom. And as soon as it censors me, I'm gonna see if the light turns on, and it does. It turned on, so this actually works. Pretty cool. I do like it, so I don't have to turn on the light. Like I said, I saw this in TikTok, and the link took me to Amazon. This was really affordable. I forgot how much I paid for it, so I put it in the video. And I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested. But it's working good. I'm gonna go ahead and try this in the guest bathroom. It censored me. This is so freaking cool. I am loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the boys' bathroom upstairs, and that'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.